So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we will learn about transpiration and translocation. Please ensure to stay to the end of this video as this is a very important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. In a previous video, we mentioned that the xylem and phloem tissues are responsible for the transport of water, mineral ions, and food nutrients. Now let's see how they do this in detail. So the phloem tissues are made up of columns of elongated living cells with small pores at the end walls to allow cell sap to flow through. The cell sap is actually a liquid that is made up of the substances being transported as well as water. So this phloem tissue transports food substances, especially dissolved sugar, that is made in the leaves of the plants to the rest of the parts of the plants where they are being used immediately or stored. The transport goes in both directions, and this process is known as translocation. On the other hand, xylem tissues are made up of dead cells that joined end to end with no end walls between them and a hole down the middle. They are strengthened with a material called lignin, and they carry water and mineral ions from the roots to the stem and leaves of the plants. The movement of water from the roots through the xylem and out of the leaves is called the transpiration stream. The actual transpiration is caused by the evaporation and diffusion of water from the plant's surface, and most of this happens at the leaves. This transpiration creates a slight shortage of water at the leaves, so more water is drawn from the rest of the parts of the plants through the xylem vessel to replace it. This in turn means that more water is drawn from the roots, so there is a constant transpiration stream occurring in the plant. So guys, here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.